Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the world of ultra-rare 1-cent coins from the years 2003, 2004, 2006, and 2007. We'll not only explore their historical significance, but also unveil their astonishing values at heritage auctions. First, let's talk about the star of the show, the 2003 D1-cent coin. Now, on the surface, it might seem like just a penny, but looks can be deceiving. This little coin can carry a big value. Now, for the exciting part. We recently saw a 2003 D1-cent coin in good condition go up for auction at heritage auctions. The bids skyrocketed, and it's time to reveal just how much this coin sold for. Are you ready for this? The 2003 D1-cent coin in good condition sold for an astounding $71,500 at heritage auctions. Yes, you heard that right. A single penny worth $71,500. Next up, we have the 2004 D1-cent. Let's talk about the 2004 D1-cent coin. Produced by the Denver Mint, this unassuming penny is a part of American history. But what makes it so special, you ask? The 2004 D penny is a symbol of America's enduring spirit and the pride of its people. Minted in Denver, this coin carries the legacy of the United States Mint, where skilled craftsmen meticulously create coins that become a part of our everyday lives. Now, let's talk about its value in the heritage auction market. Believe it or not, collectors eagerly seek out well-preserved 2004 D pennies. In a recent heritage auction sold for an astounding $94,432 at heritage auctions. Yes, you heard that right. A single penny worth $94,432. At number 3, what's the value of this 2006 D1-cent coin in good condition today? To find out, we turn to Heritage Auctions, one of the most reputable auction houses in the world. They specialize in rare coins and have a keen eye for determining their true value. So, what's the current market value of the 2006 D1-cent coin in good condition? Well, it's essential to note that coin values can fluctuate based on market demand and other economic factors. However, similar coins have been known to fetch impressive prices at auctions, sometimes reaching well into the $44,678. Last but not least, United States 1-cent 2007 D. I've done some research, and I found a similar 2007 D1-cent coin in good condition sold at a heritage auction. The bidding was intense, and the final price, well, you won't believe it. This 2007 D1-cent coin, just like ours, was sold for an impressive $30,000. That's right, a single cent coin fetching such a high value. It goes to show the incredible world of coin collecting and the value that these tiny pieces of history can hold. Please subscribe to my channel, Happy Collecting.